Good afternoon. My name is Amalia Deligiannis, and I'm the editor of Plumbing Engineer magazine. Welcome back. We're here again for another episode of PHCPPros live here at the AHR Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. With me this afternoon, I have John Durik from Merit Brass. Hi, John.
Hi, how are you this afternoon?
Good. Thank you for taking a couple of minutes of your time to speak with me this afternoon.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Thank you, and thank you for being here. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what you do at Merit Brass?
Yeah, so I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Merit Brass. I started about 7 years ago.
Okay.
7 months ago.
Oh, 7 months ago, okay.
But have been in the industry for well over 20 years, and I had an opportunity to join a 85-year company with a tremendous amount of tradition and just a great team and a fun atmosphere, and it was one of those times to transition to a new leadership role with an organization that has a tremendous amount of credibility, and they just feels like home, so it's been great.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And what are your primary responsibilities as Vice President of Sales and Marketing?
So I oversee new product launches, new innovation, technology, the sales budget, of course, working on top line and bottom line growth for the organization, and obviously bringing more resources through and making sure people are on the right runway to succeed at Merit Brass.
Great.
So
tell me a little bit about Merit Brass. What makes Merit Brass so unique?
So what makes Merit Brass very unique is they have a rich history. 85 years, family owned. We're on the 4th generation now. We're looking to hand the baton to Kevin Lipp and to Kyle Schlesinger, who both graduated college. Kevin about 10 years ago, Kyle about 2 years ago. So, we're seeing a change in the guard and under the mentorship of Darren Hilliard, who's our new president. And CFO, and certainly it's an exciting time at Merit.
Fantastic.
We're adding resources, one of which is myself, and we went east, central, west with our directors, and we're also hiring more people. So
that's amazing. That's great to hear, especially
a lot of fun.
Yes, especially during these times of uncertainty.
Sure.
So what brings you to AHR this year? What are you touting?
Well, we're touting our new press technology.
Fantastic. Could you tell me a little bit about it?
Absolutely. I was hoping you would ask. Right here you're going to see our carbon press technology.
Should we lift that up?
And this is for gas applications.
Okay.
And you're going to notice that there's a band that wraps around the outside diameter of our fittings.
Okay.
And that's our patented Breakaway Band. So when you crimp that technology, it's going to fall to the ground. So it prevents leaks, and it also prevents human error from missing a crimp.
So you're talking about the internal points right in here?
We're talking about the external point.
This?
That, when you crimp it with our tool, it's going to fall off.
Oh, really?
So then it's properly sealed.
Okay.
And we have a successful pipe joining to our fitting.
Fantastic. And how do you test to ensure that it's properly sealed?
So,
like after the fact, if you're not unsure. If you're a newbie like me, how would you know?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
Certainly one of the things we like to tell everyone is once you crimp it, we prefer the Milwaukee tool or a rigid tool. And when you crimp the fitting, it's going to bottom out and you'll hear it pop.
Okay.
So that's how you know it's secure to the fitting, to the pipe.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so this is your carbon press?
This is our carbon press technology, which we're launching in Q2, Q3 this year.
Oh, so it's
brand new.
Brand new.
And we're very excited about it.
Okay.
And we're going to go 1/2 inch to 4 inch on that.
Okay, so you're going to have 4 sizes? 1/2 inch, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yeah, we're going to go 1/2 inch, 3/4.
Oh, wow.
1 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.5 2, 2.25, 2.5, 3, and 4.
Great.
Yep.
Great.
So that's for our gas application.
Yes, okay.
And we call it carbon press.
Carbon press.
And then you'll see right here we have our stainless steel press technology with the green bands that wrap around it.
Let's show this to the world.
Yeah.
Stainless steel technology.
Yeah. And those bands represent water. So green is for water and yellow is going to be for your gas application.
All right.
So again, human error we try to prevent as much as possible because we're all human.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So we're excited, and this is used really in plants, potable water, where aesthetics are important, or there's a corrosive environment.
Okay.
So 316 stainless is what we have right now, and we're really excited to launch that as well. And you can get this today at Merit Brass through our wholesale distribution network.
Okay.
Yep.
So, and are these mainly for commercial settings?
This is more on the industrial side.
Industrial side, okay.
This is a hybrid commercial.
Okay, industrial.
Slight industrial, more commercial, but hybrid.
Okay, great.
And then this is our new bronze bodied ball valve with CTS copper end connections. And again, you see the green bands. That's our breakaway feature to, or that when it crimps and it pops off, that it has been crimped successfully to the pipe. So, so it's really exciting. And our bronze ball valve is very secure, which is why we're going with bronze over brass. Bronze is more durable. It's stronger. It's going to last longer.
Yes.
We have a solid ball in there, not a hollow ball like other competitors out there. So you're not going to have any disturbance from a turbulence perspective. And the engineering sound, it's great. And we're just looking for partners out there who are willing to give us a shot and come join Merit Brass.
Awesome. Yeah. So now, is this new to the market as well, or has this been around for a while?
This has been around for a while. This is new for Merit Brass. The engineered products is new for Merit Brass, and this was one of the things that they brought me and tasked me to do from a sales perspective, is to help launch new innovative products with Darren and Kyle and our product line management team and everything else we got going on. So yeah.
So you said engineered products are new to Merit Brass. Can you talk a little bit about that?
So Merit Brass is very rich in commodity products, your brass nipples, your stainless steel pipe, your 3,000-pound pressure fittings. We're now transitioning and maintaining our core book of business, which is what we've always done from a nipple standpoint and also from a brass fittings perspective and piping perspective. And now we're introducing new innovation and technology to Merit Brass, which engineered products is press, it's valves, and it's a few other things we're working on with our product line management team as we speak.
So you're looking on expanding, pretty much,
yes,
pretty much. So that sounds like a great way to start.
We're really excited.
So this is coming out in 2022. Will you have any other news or events to showcase in 2022?
Yeah, so we're a part of IMARC AD and the Commonwealth Group as well. So we're heavily vested as partners to our wholesale distribution network out there, and that's where we show our new technology and our new products that are launching. Yeah.
Oh,
so
that's great.
We will have this in Q2, Q3 this year.
Okay.
The same with this product, and then this has been launched.
Okay.
Our stainless press has been launched.
Stainless press has been
launched. And our copper fitting press line has been launched as well.
Okay.
So now we're adding new distribution, and we're getting out there. We're doing trainings. And, I love getting out to the project sites, spending time with the contractors out there. Our team is doing that as well, which is exciting. And
has that changed at all since the pandemic? I mean, how have you educated your customers about these new products?
A lot more has gone online. But truth be told, when there's an issue in the field, and there always is, or there's a training that needs to happen hands-on, you have to go to those project sites. Typically it's 6 a.m. in the morning, before everyone is getting ready to go out on the project site. But certainly it's important to spend time in the field. And that's one of the things our organization takes a lot of pride in, is making our calls, spending time with our wholesale distribution network. And also now we're going to be calling on the engineering community to get specified with Merit Brass, press technology and valves, and the same remains true for the rest of our portfolio. So it's been a lot of fun, and it's exciting, as you can tell.
Yeah, so it's like, so you've mentioned to me prior to our beginning this conversation that you're 7 months into the company?
7 months in.
So tell us a little bit about your work history and what you hope to bring to Merit Brass.
Yeah. So like many, I started off in wholesale distribution, working for Ferguson Enterprises down in Florida, and they transitioned me up to Washington, D.C., and I spent some time up in D.C., and I had an opportunity to get on the manufacturing side and work for Johnson Controls for about 10 years. And and was able to go to Apollo Valves for 6 years, and had a few different leadership roles there, and naturally this took place to be the sales leader of a tremendous company with a very rich history. So
great, and
just been grateful to be a part of the PVF industry.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
I guess it's like the problem that these products solve have to deal with knowing that, and maybe you could explain it better than a newbie like myself, is ensuring that it's fitted properly with the technology, correct? So as a supplier, what makes Merit unique?
Really what makes Merit Brass unique is our people.
Okay.
I can't stress that enough. It's our devotion to our customers, it's our people, and it's our history, in which I keep going back to, because so much of your history within an organization is what you are doing for your distribution network. So I always think a rich history is very important, and to have a company like Merit Brass with a leadership team that's been in place for a while, to be a part of it is just something that I think separates Merit Brass from some of the other companies that I mentioned earlier.
Right, wow.
Yes.
Okay, and I guess it's like, how can people access more information about your press offering if they're not at the show today?
Sure. Come to meritbrass.com. You can find all of our new press technology on there, as well as our core book of business, pipe fittings, and everything else that has made us so successful over the past 85 years. And come see us at our booth.
Great.
We're over at C6700.
Fantastic.
And we got Mike Riddle here. He's our new director of the West. And Jason Merkins was just promoted to our new director of the Central. And Steve Mercurio is not here. He's in the field spending time with some engineers this week. But yeah, we have a great representation here, and we're just excited to be here. So thank you for this time as well.
Well, thank you for joining me today and for coming to the show. I mean, what a great way to restart the trade show in Vegas. Come on now.
Absolutely.
So have a great day, and thank you. If we will be back in a couple of minutes, I would like to thank John again for joining me from Merit Brass, everyone, and have a great day. Thank you.